Dennis Miracles Abwaje, spokesperson for Dr. Bawumia campaign. Dennis, good morning.
Yeah,
Adom Nimpaibo, Umoya dear. Yeda Okropon Ase. Na minimisa Obeba Kumasi and Chakra.
Oh, say my back home, I was the one who is dangerous. It's the Banama. What kidnapping me?
Mesuna Metan Vow.
David, be send me the Falcon.
Besoba. Seminiano.
Say, you could be a fina.
No,
carry answer. I thought
we be very fine. Dennis,
by Eugene Penn and himself. Eugene Penn and himself.
Any all catchers of money in country, go more money. Dennis, now, first of all, my yen started with the Bank of Ghana, the ENRA, but who said minority now a press conference and more than Simbi Tuja about the losses are Yamiki. Though I have my position said these losses must not continue, but it seems like the way more than some neighbor Bontini just I said loss no cry Yamun Fasubia, but Ochi Bank of Ghana as well. There have been a lot of benefit from the losses. The minority in the stance Nan Casano CC not to say.
First of all, I think the SDA established as a people in the sector. Want to me anything to soon to from answer and found minority, yes, some way can the Fapim and Kasa did that. The Sunni buying any acquire and then majority people, and now no almost fast work. They handle the same Bank of Ghana.
Okay.
Obekaya after 2022. In fact, we found that the year 2022, said that was when the impact of the global economic challenges, at all your mind, it changed the
Sure.
We had a course between January 2022 up to December 2022. The currency quite fast way say inflation be a cocoa do any age now. 2022 no. It was a special year. And just as every central bank is supposed to do, no, the Bank of Ghana decided to intervene and help stabilize the economy and bring it back on track. And no, and a far 2022 losses no. Buy so okay. That 2022 losses the buyer. The exact position and posture of today's NDC government. Almost say it's untenable. And see that and see that it's unforgivable. Say the Central Bank of the Republic of Ghana ever run the losses. It's okay.
Yeah.
Emma, yeah, say Central Bank, no, it's there for purposes like this. The whole object of the Central Bank is to ensure that when the economy is in distress and is in difficulties, they will intervene and bring us back on track.
Right.
And see, the Central Bank running losses, no, on itself, no, is not entirely the issue. It is rather the impact of some intervention, no, is what we should look at. Almost there be. In fact, they went ahead to call the Central Bank losses, criminal. Created an impression as if say Central Bank losses now near Kano. Sika will be Fatty Bank of Ghana at the share the bottom. And there are not many penny because or a senior chief executive in this country, top IT, tech, fintech chief executive in this country. Or say, and you're not saying, yeah, losses you buy a discuss here. Academician is doing the 2022, 2023, 2024. No, I'm buying a VSK free Bank of Ghana, and internet said losses. This NDC government, Emma check or Bank of Ghana, it's okay. I said the governor of Bank of Ghana should resign because we're running losses. I want some back and forth. 2023 there was an improvement. Improvement not because there was profit, but the losses were reduced. And at 2024 there was further improvement. The losses were further reduced.
Yeah.
Now on the back of this, a lot of people said, hey, this economy was being criminally managed, and that if a whole Bank of Ghana is running losses there, and the Obama MP, NDC, and the NDC won government, won elections, and formed government. Obia Dwene said the NDC and the forming government there, under no circumstance should what we experienced in the past. I'm afraid they say a criminal. In fact, they said they were putting it in as part of ORA. Calculating as part of ORA, they will recover the loot. That's what they called it. And the Bank of Ghana governor will be jailed. In fact, really elections, the first 3 people, included the Bank of Ghana governor. They went to his home, destroyed everything in his home, ransacked everything in his home. It was unprecedented. It didn't see what my woman did. I could see in fear near me because I'm say a criminal or oral. Ghana for be born same J almost. Now what better na bemu? 12 months down the line. What boka 3 times more than over 2024 no. And you want to talk your way out of it. And you think that the entire country has been sold to you until we should not keep quiet and let you have your way. No. What we are saying is that some losses in this in 2025. Yet, a commentary now. We have not said anywhere say a central bank cannot make losses, but we are analyzing the impact of some losses, and we are saying it's a shame on you, NDC. Shame on you. You've betrayed the people of this country by saying A and doing B. You created an impression as if say you have some economic magic wand. You're going to set this country on a path that will never see what has happened in the past before. And then you come into office. Now I cannot now complain now say now. Also you recover the loot now. You ransack people's homes, I do with same Emma 3 times. Emma impact in the class you when you but
with the impact, let's look at
hold on.
Okay.
Ukra figures 2024 Bank of Ghana losses near say
Edum, but I'll get it for you.
It was about 8 billion thereabout.
Yeah. Right. Okay, in 2024.
Aye.
Okay. That was 2024 was 9.49 billion.
Perfect.
Yeah.
2024 losses in Bank of Ghana in It's pushed inflation from 53% to 23%.
Right.
It is a most economic indicators, any measure there. Note the numbers for me. 53%. That was where the economic inflation was. The Bank of Ghana in 2024 spent about 9 billion or lost about 9 billion in trying to fix the economy, and it brought it from 53% to 23%. That is 20 points basis, remember? Okay. In 2025, most of you use economic indicators. That is the impact on my idea. NDC are buying between inflation at 23%. After the end of year 2024, now inflation is saying about 5%.
That was 2025.
December.
Yeah, yes, December 2025. Yeah.
It was about 5%.
I think 5.4. Yeah.
Great. 23% to 5%. About 18%.
Yeah, you have about 18 basis points. Yeah.
Perfect. What was the losses of the Bank of Ghana?
So that is around 15.6 billion.
Great. Now, so all the 16 billion loss, it pushing inflation, it's 23%, about 5%. Now, it'll be the 9 billion loss, it pushing inflation, it's 53%, about 23%. on the wall. Why not here, Juma?
But okay, other
hold on, respond to this one first.
No,
respond to this one first.
I just
hold on.
Okay, so one idea to be a bit of general way, but the main patch and say.
I thought you said you were using the economic indicators, and now you see the first set.
No, the economic indicators actually with not only inflation, policy rates and other issues. Yeah.
Please. Deal with the inflation one for me first.
Okay, step by step. So the inflation, that is perfect. About 18 basis points down.
Perfect. Dollar.
Yeah.
As of 2023, how you saying?
2023 was around 15 point something or let me check.
Great.
Yeah.
Great. As at the end of 2024, how you saying?
2024 was around 14.7 14 70 pesos.
Great. So we're looking at about 1 cedi. So we spent about 9 billion losses to bring the dollar from 15.8 or 9 cedis to about 14.7 cedis. So 1 cedi. Great. 2025, NDC take you over office. That dollar is saying 14.7.
Yeah.
As at close of December 2025, that dollar is saying.
There's a bit million around 10.45 ne 11.
Great. So they spent 16 billion to bring our currency from 14 point whatever cities to about 10.9 into 3 cities. That's how much they spent to be able to bring it down to 3 cities less. Now, what are the other indicators obviously a measure?
Yeah, policy rate, you know.
Okay.
But talking about impact of losses, no, say losses benefits that they are bringing. We know the huge loss in 2022, which is about 60 billion. The impact and only wouldn't be in.
Forget about 2022. Don't skew the conversation.
No, I want us to look at the effects.
No.
Okay.
No. I will not let you do that.
Why?
Listen, we will not let you do that.
Because we are spread.
It is where the NDC government took power from, and where the MPP also took it from. I have already told you the basis of this Bank of Ghana conversation or the baseline is 2022.
But when you say
2022 was where our economy went haywire. 2022.
Yeah.
So 2022 there was a 60 billion loss.
Yes.
2023 was lesser than 60 billion. And 2024 was 9 billion. So when you read the Bank of Ghana report and read the IMF and the World Bank report, they tell you that between 2022 to 2024, the Bank of Ghana was on the path towards profit because they were reducing their losses. So don't go to why you in 2025 and you are running a comparative analysis between an MPP government and an NDC government and you are going to 2022.
No, but
then let me take you to 1996.
Miracles, what I want.
So please, so please, if you want us to have a proper intellectual analysis, let's do the analysis well.
Yeah.
The MDPP left office in 2024. That is the baseline.
Sure.
For the NDC.
I agree perfectly. But
so don't go
it's because you started your analysis from 2022. And that is why I'm making references to that.
And only your MPP baseline.
And that's why I'm making references to your baseline and saying that.
No.
Those are the ripple effects kakra positive into 2024 Emma losses no so but
that's the whole essence.
Yes.
The whole essence is for the central bank
to
help bring the economy back on its right path. So if one government take this from a baseline economic difficulty of 53% inflation and brings it all the way down to 23%, you are going to measure that government on its performance between 53 and 23. The new government takes it from 23 to 5. You are going to measure that government's performance between 23 and 5. That is how you are going to be able to test their performance.
Right. But
so what 16 billion? Now all you are able to achieve is an 18 basis point reduction. Now so we work at 9 billion. Not only 53 but 23. Now what can change on only be any oral criminally managed that. Oh yeah, you are a thief.
But if you look at the other indicators, it seems like and also Emma Ghana for so you're comfortable kakra. Even with
no you are doing.
Yeah.
No you are doing. It's all sign indicators are looking good.
Yeah.
Now you made a very important point.
Okay.
Emma Ghana for you're comfortable. Now let's come to Ghana for no. And let's test whether indeed in 2025 Ghana for you're comfortable than they were in 2024. Now then we'll end this conversation. Now tell me where in this country Ghana ni be comfortable that they were in 2024. Akwalo ti Kumase. Tech 2024. Nani mami could school fees man of Bachelor of Arts. Otia 1,635. And now Otia 2,365. What light bill? Ana Utia. So Utia 1,000 Ghana cedis 2024. And then Utia 1,240 Ghana cedis in 2025. Transportation fare. Will now be far if you circle a car. Ako Kumasi. I increase by almost about 50%. Water bill, I increase by 15%. In Kola Omuko School, I will University of Ghana. A faka fee of Ponglo at the court a friend say Ivandi Hall, not here 8 cities and not here 12 cities. Ivandi hostel fee, now 6,224 and then 7,800. As we speak, the Ghana Statistical Service itself is reporting a growth in unemployment in this country. Private sector are shrinking. The government is not spending. Kofa aban we yankasa budget omo in 2025. Omo capital expenditure budget omo plan here. They spent only 30%. Ministries and what aban we yankasa mu are not getting releases, including even donor-funded projects. World Bank, EU, SECO, EDXC Canada. The finance minister is not giving to them for them to spend. What it means is that private sector is not getting money to even work. So, what can I say impactor? Tell me which aspect of our economy. Nurses and teachers who have worked for 14 months have not been paid. Cocoa farmers have not been paid since October 2025. As we speak, Ghanaian cocoa farmers are owed in excess of about 6.5 billion cedis. And only yet they are buying that deal Omunchi account. There is almost about 90,000 metric tons of cocoa. It's cocoa you can afford them more. Almost the quite buying jimpo. So, which aspect of our economy now? Ghana for
right.
Which aspect are you talking about?
Right. I get your point from the other side of a country, comfortability once a my Kenya education side, boarding a day. But it's also good to appreciate a bit to say your policy rate. Now kobo besia kra wo bank any idea interest a daso ni ade. If you look at Bank of Ghana explanation or their bar from over 30% and they want to tear much as around 18% and thereabout. People can now ombeji luna omo hire omo. And when you look at even other aspects of your economy noa in terms of kwaya omo faswa ye manage ye sika sem ema womo a ebia ye to ade prices of good inflation ya ye ken. We saw it directly on fuel prices. Na a course rumpu no they actually also made sure say omo manen kosru pin koduru be 1820 bia na yenim kane no. That's what some Ghanaians are saying, say anya hwe no eye chen kane no. Don't you agree with them?
Ghana ni bian kasa ye. I mean kasa mijro. That is why from day one we have said say this government is running a very strange economy, very contradictory economy. The kind of economic system obi anti here. Because you are right. With all of these economic indicators on paper now, and we shouldn't go through the situation we are going through. And see, Ghana ni na wo kano. Wo ankasa use wo ankasa wo. Sa policy rate na obobo ni ade no. Infrastructure na aba so mo. Because you see,
okay.
Private sector now also okoje mo ti e so mo. Onko kora onkoje mo si ya. Onko, woni bi enti onko. because the government is not spending. If the government doesn't spend, private sector will not have businesses to do. And if private sector don't have businesses to do, they don't have a reason to go to the bank to go and take a loan. So as we speak, the banks are not even getting people to come for the loans. Go and check. And that is why the impact is not reflecting in the Ghanaian citizens' life. It's a good paper, so. A good paper, so. You see, when you want to run an inflation target economy,
ordinarily, when it comes to seven for Koji loan, and Jumaku near the idea, there are other and Jumafua Hodwa. Probably they are not even in the public sector, but they be more public sector and almost your workers.
Government is the biggest.
Almost where benefit you
benefit one. Now, so Koji loan, what the financial teacher for us now, which is like very trivial.
Right.
So if we are looking at the bigger scope of the economy, and we are talking about it's a policy rate and loans, we are not talking about domestic loans.
But it's one of the.
We are talking about credit facilities that drive industries, that drive businesses, that moves production. That is what we are talking about in this broader context of the economic indicators. If it is about Titani Okoji loan, any next Okoji loan here, that is where we are now. And that is why we have all these things on paper, but it's not reflected in the lives of the Ghanaian persons. Tell me, there is not a single aspect of the Ghanaian life I'll be compared to 2024. I can say, oh, we better than 2024. I can sit and debate with you from morning till evening. You won't win this debate. Why should we have inflation as low as 3%, and yet you have prices of goods and services increasing by some over 25-30%? Why? So I just say, why should we have that situation? And that is what we need to call the government out. That is why if the government comes to tell us, say our book 16 billion, and you say manna, because you can't spend 16 billion and give us this result. No. When somebody spent less and did better.
But
what are you talking about?
But miracles, when you look at productivity, in production there, we had our GDP growth. In fact, all put together, we had our GDP growth not declining but rising. Economy. At
what rate? At what percentage of growth? The percentage of growth.
2024
surely has gone up.
2024 was 5.2%. 2025 was 6%. And it's
2023 you're saying. Look at the percentage of growth.
No, you said we should compare 2024. Say I went back to 2023.
I'm saying look at the rate of growth.
Their losses were in 2025, and I'm saying that
if you spend 16 billion,
miracles,
and you
but hear me,
by 1%,
miracles, listen to me. They say their losses were in 2025. Bank of Ghana edisikashi muaboka 2025 sikasi and awoka hwasem. And I say osi productivity ekofem. But the figures also show say your productivity GDP around 5% in 2024. Etimi akodenim to 6%. Is it not an achievement?
So you spend 16 billion to give us 1% improvement in GDP. You see, I can't losses at all. Losses is not just in its nominal terms. It is what you achieved in terms of relative to what you spent. So you spent 16 billion to give us a 1% growth in our GDP. That's what you're asking us to clap for you. And then that will be a 4% growth there. Overspending 50 billion. That is what we are talking about. That mediocre cannot be accepted. If 9 billion loss in 2024 was oral, then what is 16 billion loss in 2025? And you guys think that we are dumb. And so you are coming to tell us, Obunya 16 billion and MPR said, what are you talking about? You've lost 16 billion to the extent that Okoton Gold and Lucy over 9 billion. Yaton Gold Boka. Yaton Gold Boka. Let me tell you, our Bank of Ghana today is completely insolvent. That explains why they sold about 18 tons of our gold reserves. What they did with the 18 tons of the gold reserves was to balance their books and become solvent.
But
it's a very dangerous trajectory. If we don't call the Bank of Ghana out, 2026.
Still on the GDP growth, and now can one SMC into mean for 1% we spent 60 billion in 2022, and we had a growth of 3.9% of our GDP.
Yeah, that was in 2022. That is why in 2023 we improved. In 2024 we improved.
Let me land.
I agree. No, you agree, so you don't have to land. I agree with you. I agree with you. 2022 was terrible.
Yes.
I agree with you.
2023
it was terrible.
Yes.
It was terrible.
But it was a huge expenditure.
Yes, and it was terrible.
Yeah.
That is why the MPP government in 2023 massively turned it around in 2023 and massively turned it around in 2024. So why do we get back to our worst form again? 2022 was terrible, I agree with you. But in 2023, we turned it around. And in 2024, we even improved it further. And I'm almost say, even side improvements,
but if you look at a report from African Development Bank Group and then also from the Bank of Ghana, where reports you realize that, as you said, improvement abano miracles and yes, 2022 was 3.8%, and then we decelerated to 2.9% in 2023. So okabomwa your GDP no so kra e decline, ye decelerate here, so 60 billion actually we decelerated in 2023. That does it really prove, say, you spend this canon on fast rubber, so like today we are seeing miracles? Miracle?
Hello?
Yes, miracles. I said 2022. Your GDP growth around 3.8% in 2022. You're at 2023, no, a decelerate to 2.9%. After spending the 60 billion, na GDP also asat.
Yeah.
And
but 2022 there, after it was terrible. We can go. It's terrible. Terrible. It was terrible.
Why?
Terrible. 2022. It was terrible.
Why?
You don't need a why. Everybody knows what happened in the global economy in 2022. That is why.
But the bank, the World Bank disproves that. Jeffatu Sumami, the World Bank says you cannot blame the COVID-19 Russia-Ukraine war for the economic crisis in 2022, and that was reported on September 26, 2025. Let
me even fuel your attempt to digress. 2022.
I'm not digressing. I'm just bringing.
No, wait. 2022 was terrible.
Okay.
We admit. Okay. But that is why by 2024 we had improved massively from 2022. So why are we getting worse in 2025?
So okay. That one, it could be another argument. But what we are saying is that if you base the losses on the improvement, then of course it would have been a shot in your leg in 2023. So
I agree.
Yeah.
2022 was terrible. You can mention that 100 times. It doesn't change the fact that 2024, before we left office, we had turned it around and we're on the path of progress. It doesn't change that.
Yeah,
and it also doesn't change the fact that after we have set ourselves on the path of progress, these NDC guys have reversed it. So 2022 there, it was terrible. I don't know what else you want to hear.
Right. So moving forward with what we are seeing, what should we do? The SDA, you bet me at the Abuama, the Bank of Ghana bet me Ejnan and Asuye.
The bank needs to be candid with the people of this country. The government, the finance minister, and the NDC government. Omofa no credit and fantichiro mine and the beboy. Or someone for no credit and to mine own. No more na. Yet the son of a beca. Omo better fit after 119 and some bay. Emo a bebu in aso. Oh, what to wear up and no casado piece.
Yeah.
Awa.
Minia.
Would that Adrian Huda say NDC are buying 2025. Casano Mocassin by end of year no more about 16 billion. Did you ever dream about this?
Never.
But see, I experience it. Exactly. So if we continue to babysit these guys and treat them with kids' gloves, your cost of pampa and the akro almost in a while. This year, 2026, you best on 50 billion.
Right.
We need to call them out. We should stop pampering them. The issue is no longer about comparing MPP versus NDC. MPP ye kofie. Ye tifie ye ni abemu. Eti edwuma no mo ye no. E mo mo form ani nkosi se ye ni ye twa MPP. Debi ye na Ghana for ho nto omo. That should be the focus. Right. That is the only way we can get results from this your friend is saying clueless NDC government. We may catch out that I say we don't expect this NDC government to fail. Because you can't change of government. Change of government is not about whether the government has failed or not. It's about impensua or minor baby drew or bra ye kotu abano. Omo say yentu abomo. Omo wine. They are buying nation in sa. They do no bet to be abon buying. Not the be akamwa yeden. Amaye. We don't expect say NDC be fairly. Omo fairly abebo MPP. No. And because Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia vision or one, he needs a solid foundation to build on it.
Right.
So Oba, that's a banana foundation. I say Oba spending too much time.
Sure.
Trying to build a foundation before he gets his vision going. And to me, I'm not one of those people that are wishing said the NDC government will fail.
I like that. I like that mindset. I like
succeed.
It. Yeah, sure.
But you do 2028 now. Yemba Swame and Asqua. Embe kancha almost Obama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia because NDC is failing. Baby, you be chomo say Montu Obama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia because Oba and she say all the betu akwemuni ebe ma nyuma ba ebe ma a friend say ankran nyuma so dey akoso ebe ma akwanya ba education health. It is a vision that we are going to sell, not the failure of the NDC. It's ye can NDC asemwa ye mpese ebi mo be defensive. We are saying it so the government would set up. Me in particular, Akukwa, we started car about the contradictory economic management of the NDC. We're in June.
Yeah.
June, and I started to make one said there's something wrong. There is something wrong. That there is an artificial manipulation of the economic indicators, and that eventually we all face it. Here we are.
Right.
Here we are today. We wake up one day and sa NDC abaya obia say omo economic measure no. Omo boka buburo afa mu yi anu a mu si say ye boka but ye de abo mo emo no we
miracle obo Bawumia di ntima memfa onwie wo ho adena mo guide no I mean how to present this strong message na I mean mannerisms and the way I would present it any abaye ridiculing
what do you mean by young guy? What was wrong with the mannerism and the presentation?
Because it was showing more or less like he the way he campaigns regularly. Said you will see kind of more campaign platforms,
No, but what? Yes, and what was the problem?
The same manner and the occasion. It was a church event. Though the message he carried.
I will stop the hypocrisy.
If you let me know, no. No. It's not hypocrisy. It's not hypocrisy. It's not hypocrisy. So I played all the videos. I did extensive on it, and I said that the message Bawumia carried. Kama Mahama Kurai be paying our platforms who accuse Yakufuado on the hardship. But the way a man say or mention targeting the message to a person there, which made it a bit more like a campaign political.
Ketia is the chairman of the National Democratic Congress. So what is the so-called manner in the opposition leader giving a message to government to the chairman of the party in government? We are waiting to get to the cabinet.
Yeah, I understand.
So what are you talking about?
So with this, now message I mean, I've always thought that the message is strong. But what I'm saying is that
the point is that there is nothing wrong. Absolutely nothing wrong. Zero, nothing wrong. The message was clear. You have carried now what promise you a 24-hour economy. Is it not a debt they have to pay? message no na anyan crop there, but Bawumia's responsibility is not to carry message about NDC for any almost sympathizers there.
But don't you think
is to call the government out on every platform he finds himself? He is our leader. He is our flag bearer. Young person be the person ya the opposition leader. Now we push the views of Ghanaians. It's be obe I saw the mo where the no naming ceremony. He must call the government out. The Juma, Juma party, they are saying no. It's okay.
But don't you think, Senka, so we Christian, Inka, saw them with the Inka, or the or yen say, Yamisem Kakrati said, yeah, Mama, ye be bright, or they cast a collection.
Mama, or your yastic, Mama. Chief of staff goes to us, or them, Yosu was them.
Oh, so much me switch Yami.
Then they do Bawumia, so they are more ideas, man. They do NDC for their money ideas at the moment. Do you know the number of people who have an issue with the chief of staff crying in the church?
Yeah.
Why do you think that you dictate to somebody and leave the other? That's the hypocrisy I'm talking about.
You don't see. Me per se, I don't have problem with the message, but
yeah, or expresses our hypocrisy. Whoever there can own it. But Bawumia is the leader of the New Patriotic Party.
Yeah,
he is a flag bearer. If I am person be you on your flag bearer, you may ever know. Yet, the answer say they be obeyed in a bia. They be obeyed in a bia. On your opposition leader, you man my. Bawumia is not the first person. Or sorry, the more or your campaign. And then you offer Mahama the buy and come back and want them.
But OBC
release this video, no.
OBC ni your friend is saying
because
you need election year, of course, and are you too like a mode of campaign?
But yet Munjayan Sana UTP. Yeah, flag bearer January 31st. Yeah, starting here, Juma. Why? This is Ponti Radio. Yeah, I'm trying.
And you must start a campaign. Must start a campaign. Oh, sir. Oh, okay. Okay. Miracles, Minia. Oba. Na yeshia. Why?
Mate, me catch you give me quiet and show up.
All right, Miracles Abwaje. And Otin Dennis Miracles Abwaje, Kasaba for the Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. The campaign was my beginning campaign. I don't know. You know, in Shra 104.5, we are crewing in some and Augustua Wuti, you know. Now, meaning the entire or my way.